Welcome to the Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. I am going to show you the basic of Adobe Illustrator. It's also the introductory of Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started now. Now I am opening Adobe Illustrator CC 2015. This is the interface of Adobe Illustrator, or this is the environment of Adobe Illustrator. Up of left side, here is a menu bar. This is called menu bar. File, edit, object, these all are menus. And below of it in the left side, this is called the toolbar. Many icons already placed here. In the right side, we can also see a panel bar. This is called a panel bar. And now we can see something about this interface. I mean right hand side from this panel bar. If you click in this line point and click the left button of your mouse and hold it. After that, drag and drop it anywhere you like. And by clicking on this arrow key, you can expand this panel. And again, by clicking on this arrow key, you can also collapse this panel. In this way, you can expand and you can collapse it. I think you can understand this. After that, you can also place it. How? Just collapse it and select again in this line point. Just click the left button of your mouse and drag and drop or place it in this panel bar. I mean here. In this similar way, you can also customize this. And you can also place this. Or you can also place this anywhere you like. This is the way. In this similar way, you can also expand this panel bar by clicking on this arrow key. I am clicking on it. All the toolbox is expanded here, and collapse it by clicking on it. This is the way, or this is the using of this panel bar. And then you can individually use this panel bar by using this toolbox. How? You can just click on this swatch. This is called swatch toolbar. Just click on this swatch toolbar, then you can see the swatch option. And if you click on this arrow again, it will be placed on panel bar again. In the similar way, you can select all of these gradient. Click on it. This is the option of gradient. And click on this collapse tool and minimize it. And it will be placed in this panel bar again. After that, you can also come the left side of this interface and see this toolbar. Here are already placed many icons. Here is also a arrow key. By pressing this, you can create a single line. After that, you can expand it. By clicking on it, you can expand it. If you look left hand side, you can see there is a toolbar of rectangle tool. Here is a
arrow in the below of it. If you click and hold it, then you can see more tools or more option of rectangle tools like rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tools, etc. So again you can click on this arrow key and minimize it. After all, you can also separate this rectangle tool. By clicking this point, you can also click here and then it's separated now. Now I am closing this option. Okay.
And then you can also select this point and drag and drop it here. After that, you can also place it anywhere you like. And then if you remove or close anything of your settings, then how you can replace or how you can bring it again. As an example, just click on this toolbar and click on this X or cross sign to close it. I'm clicking on it. Now it's closed, and then you can go to the window, click on it and just select the tools and then select default. It will be replaced again, and now it is visible. After that, you can also customize this panel. I mean, select this line point and just click the left button and hold it and drag and drop it here and expand it. After that, do this same and expand it, and after that this one and expand it. After that this one also and expand it. I don't need, I mean, library, appearance, but I need layer and artboard, so I will remove this. First click on this library and hold the mouse and drag it. Only the library is separated from this toolbox, and just click on it and then click on this appearance, and in the similar way click the left button of your mouse and then drag and drop it. This is also separated, only the appearance is separated. Now close it by clicking on this X or cross icon. After that, graphic style, layer, artboard is also here. Now you can also move it anywhere you like, and you can place it as you like. I am placing here, here, and here, and also here. Now all these are toolboxes, and here is no panel bar. If I want to rearrange the panel bar, how I can do it? I can do it, just minimize it and then place it here. After that, minimize it and place it here. After that, minimize it and place it here, and place it also here. If you close or remove this toolbox, then you can just click on X or on this cross sign. I am clicking on it. Now close it and then go to the window and select gradient. Then all of these, I mean stroke, gradient, transparency, is replaced again. It is because stroke, gradient, transparency, both are is in the similar toolbox or panel. So if you select stroke from the window, then all these will come here. If you select gradient from this window, then all of these will come here again. Now I am closing it again and then going to the window. Now select transparency. See, all these three are replaced here again. It's okay. If you remove or close all of these toolbar and toolbox or panel bar, then how you can defaultly set it again? Look at this option. I am closing this toolbar and I am also closing this toolbox and also this one and again this one also. Now you have to go to the essential and then reset essential. If you click on it, then all the settings what was before, it will be reset again. Okay, now just click on it. After that we can see more important thing. It is the page setup. How? Just click on file menu and then select new. New means the new document or the new page, but in the way of Adobe Illustrator, new means the new artboard. I am just clicking on it. After that, here is a dialog box of your document, page or artboard. First, name. Name means the name of your file. I am selecting here logo. When you will save this file, it will save as a logo. After that, profile. Profile means which is your media. Is it printing media or is it web media? I will do some work for print media. Then I have to select print only. After that, number of artboards. Here is the number. I mean how many artboard do you need? I am selecting here 1. And then size. This is the artboard size or paper size or document size, letter size, legal size, A4 size. I am selecting letter size. After that, here is width and then the height. You can choose from this height and width. And after that, come to this point, I mean unit. Units mean the smallest part of your artboard. Which will be the smallest part of your artboard? It can be points, it can be ficus, it can be inches, it can be also millimeters, and it can be also pixels. Which will be your smallest part of your artboard? This is called the units. I am selecting here inches. After that, now look at this width. Here is 8.5 inch and height is 11 inch. This is the size of this letter page. After that, orientation. Orientation means how the paper will appear to you. I mean how it will be looked at. It will be horizontal or it will be vertical. It will be portrait or it will be landscape. I am selecting this point. I mean landscape. After that, come to this bleed. Bleed means the margin, the extra part of your page. All is 0. I am choosing this one also. but you can also change it, or you can also customize it yourself. And finally, advanced. Here is a advanced. First, color mode. Color mode is most important. When I select print mode, then I have to select CMYK color mode. CMYK color mode basically work for printing media. If you choose this profile wave, at that time RGB mode is selected, or you have to select this RGB mode. I am selecting from here printing, and then already CMYK is selected. After that, raster effects. Raster effects means the resolution, the depth of your artboard. PPI means pixel per inch. Pixel per inch. This is 300 pixel. I mean, in this artboard, 300 pixel will be adjusted. After that, preview mode. Preview mode is default. And now I am going to select OK. This is our artboard. You can also zoom it. How you can zoom it? Go to the toolbar and select this tool, I mean zoom tool. By clicking on it and come again to this artboard, see the cursor point which is in the mode of plus sign. In this situation, just click on left button of your mouse and zoom it. If you press Alt of your keyboard and see the cursor point, there is a minus sign, and then press the left key of your mouse and zoom out. By this way. In another way, how can you zoom it and zoom out? By pressing the control of your keyboard and press the plus sign of it and zoom in. If you press Ctrl again and click on minus, then the zoom will be out. In this way, you can zoom in and zoom out. After that, you have to remember, zoom in means not the page is bigger. You are watching this in bigger size. I mean, you are watching by the magnifying glass to see it bigger. And zoom out means in the similar, the opposite of it. And you can also move this page. Go to the toolbar and select this tool, I mean hand tool, and select this page, and just click the left button of your mouse and drag it to your position, I mean where you like to place it. I am placing it here. In this way, you can move this artboard. After that, you can also move this artboard with the help of keyboard. When you will just press the spacebar of your keyboard, then mouse sign or the cursor sign will be changed in a hand. After that, you can click the left button of your mouse and drag it where you like.
Okay guys, bye bye. See you next.